Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog. As you can tell, it's laundry day again because I'm in the laundry room. I actually started the laundry. I did one load so far. I just took it from the washing machine to the dryer, and I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. Yeah. I was trying to figure out why the camera keeps going blank, but then I realized, oh, I'm not recording. Yeah, so I'm doing 7 loads. I started just this one load so far. Hope you guys are doing well, staying healthy, safe, and blessed. I hope this video motivate you to get up and do your laundry and do anything you need to get done around that house, because I'm sure once you get it done, it's gonna make you feel so much better, right? It always does for me, and I'm sure for you as well. And that's why sometimes we do need that little motivation to get us going. Yeah, so I'm gonna do another load. This is my Clorox for colored clothes, and it's, you know, these things don't last forever. It's done. But I do have another bottle outside. Oh no, it's in the kitchen. And I have my Lysol laundry sanitizer. So I'm going to start my other load right now. I'm going to show you what it is. Okay, so it's right here. This is the load I'm doing next. If you guys are new to my channel, let me fix this camera. My head was chopped off just now, the top part. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. I'm glad you subscribed. Welcome to welcome to the family. I can't speak today. It happens quite often that I'm recording without the camera on record. Am I that tired? I don't feel tired. Anyways, I did get sleep last night, so I'm not that tired. But yes, welcome to the family. I'm glad you subscribed, and if you like these types of videos, don't forget to thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button and join the family. So I'm just putting these clothes in the washing machine. I'm trying to stay on top of my laundry and everything that I do around the house, because it just gets really, like, gets a lot when you make it all pile up. Then you have so much more to do. So I try to stay on top of it. Sometimes things happen and it gets out of control, but for the most part, I've been doing good. So I have that loaded. So what I'm gonna do now is put my detergent. You guys know I love this Suavitel, and this is Field Flowers, and it's done, but I'm just seeing if there's anything else in there. it's not coming out, so I'm just gonna say it's done. Let me see if this will come out. This is the sanitizer. All right, so I got one cap. I like to do at least 2 caps. You guys know that if you've been watching my laundry videos. Am I gonna get 2 caps? Am I gonna get 2 caps? Come on, come on, 2 caps, 2 caps. Well, it's almost 2 caps. And here I am squeezing the bottle, squeezing the handle. Yes, I got almost 2 caps from that. Let me see. That works. And then bleach. Using the bleach for colored clothes. Nothing is coming. All right, forget it. It's done. I'm gonna get more. So I got these scented, I call them crystals. It's Arm & Hammer. I got 2. I like the Tropical Paradise. That's what that one is. Got more Lysol sanitizer because it does a really good job. And bleach for color, well, Clorox for colored clothes. So. So guys, I just took some stuff from the dryer that I put in the dryer earlier, and I don't know if you can see, but it's a lot. So this is 2 loads, and I'm gonna have to put those away and continue loading up the washing machine and the dryer. All right, so I got those 2 loads out the way, out the washing machine, out the washroom, because I have a very small washroom, so I have to make space. So now I'm going to transfer this load to the dryer and repeat. All right, so this, every dryer is different, but this does affect how efficient your dryer works, the lint that's gathered in there. So I have to empty it out just to make sure that the dryer dries the clothes the first time around, because if this thing is full, it doesn't dry the clothes the first time around, because it's just not efficient when this is full. So I just empty it out. This is the lint so far that has been gathered. Alright guys, so I have this white shirt in the top load because it's the first time that it's been washed. It's never been worn, so of course I'm washing it by itself. I have another shirt just like that, that's the color orange, that's going to be washed in the top load by itself as well, just in the event it does run. So that's what's going on right there in the top load. Hey Google, play.
for like everyday or full glam?
Full glam, yes. You can build it up to like Kelsey said, a full face